Oh my gosh. Oh my word. I can imagine. Life with Zara. Thank you so much for tuning in today. As you read by the title, it's another foodie episode, you guys. That's my dog in the background trying to say hi and comment, like, and subscribe. I am so excited to show you guys my quick, easy, filling, and delicious wraps, cheesy wraps. Oh my gosh, you literally just need your wraps, your cheese, and your tomatoes, and oh, it's gonna be so yummy. I did ask the people on my Instagram and on my Facebook to vote. Follow me on Instagram because then you can take part in such things, and everybody said, majority, like 99% of people was like, make the video. Because I know by the looks of it you can already see that it's easy, but like, let me take you through it. I make it so often, so I just wanted to put it out here. So this is literally what you're going to need: some wraps, some cheese, a tomato, and some oil, and voila. If there's one thing that I'm really obsessed with is this cooking spray, like for cooking and for baking. It's so convenient. So before I make my wraps, what I love to do is just put it in the pan instead of popping it in the microwave. It just makes everything seem so much more filling. So while that is taking place, I will chop my tomato. This is my pet peeve. Can't deal with these things. Don't know why. Make sure to put your oven on low heat. This is just basically to add into the cheese that you can make as a lunch or a breakfast, or just like something to eat. If you like intermittent fasting, you wouldn't really want to have big meals. Something like this would be so beneficial for you because it's like all that fuels that you need in order to go along with your day with not eating. So now, while that's taking place, I will just, oopsie doopsie. Now I will just grate some cheese. So now I'll be preparing the wraps. You literally don't have to add anything on there. It's entirely up to you if you want it more saucy or buttery. You can add the amount of cheese that you would like. I prefer it being really cheesy, so this is the amount I feel is good enough. And then after adding the cheese, I would take some tomato. It's entirely up to you. If you are not a tomato fan, you don't have to add it on there. And that's about it. You can fold it any way you would like to wrap it. And this is the way I would go. This is the way I would fold it. And then now it's ready to be toasted. Yes. Just add some pressure if it's needed. The reason why I put it on the other side is so that that can be sealed, because I will be turning it around back and forth, so it's best to like do that first. It's also best to put it on a low temperature because melting this might take certain things like old school. Like I could just put this in the presser or in the snack wedge, but doing things this way gives me some sort of satisfaction. It makes me feel like I'm Okay, let's do this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, bismillah. You hear that crunch? Oh my gosh, this is amazing. This is so amazing, you guys. Let's go, bismillah. If there's one thing that I could live off, one meal that I have to choose to live off for the rest of my life, it will be this. I hope you enjoyed this. This is so delicious. I'm going to finish it off camera because I just need to sit down, have a huge glass of water and like make me some more. I hope you try this. If you do, please tag me on Instagram to let me know. I know it's quick and easy, like why did I even show you guys? It's just like not everybody has equipment, modded equipment and stuff, and there's like so much you can do. You don't need to have all these things that's on the market right now to still have something delicious and that you'll pay so much money for. You know, you don't always have to, you know, takeaways are so unhealthy. Okay, I'm going way off topic. Please comment, like and subscribe and keep your eyes on the channel because 2 more episodes are coming where I will be cooking some nice thick dishes because it is winter. And yeah, so I would love to share some cooking ideas with you guys. Thank you so much for all the love and support thus far and be safe. Bye.